What it does is it holds it in place, so while you have the base, you can put the base here and the screen this way, so you can remove the battery or whatever repair you're doing and then pull the screen out of the way if you are repairing a screen and you don't damage these ribbon cables, which eventually you will transfer into the new screen. So with that being said, since today's newer iPhones open up sideways, and I'm going to show you here what I mean by that. So this is an iPhone 7, but the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10, all the newer iPhones open up this way now. They don't open up top like what I just showed you recently. So what you see here is basically, it does the same purpose. It helps you prop it up this way so you don't damage these cables here. And let's say if you were replacing the battery, all you would need to do then is remove this Taptic engine here and remove these little tabs that have like the rubber tape behind it, and then you can remove the battery. Or if you're doing something that has nothing to do with the screen, replacing, let's say, the antenna or the camera or anything around it without having to disconnect the actual screen, you can do so with this little tool here, and I'll show you how it works. And I will carefully bring the screen back down like so, and then I'll show you exactly how that works here. So basically the bottom part just looks like your lightning connector, and all that does is it holds it in the bottom. So you put this in the bottom, and then this right here will go on top on your screen, so you can prop it up that way. So you can put it like this and then get this into the bottom, or you can connect the bottom part first, however you wish to do it. Basically what it will do is it will hold it in place for you just like so, and then you can go ahead and go about with your repairs. So what I'll do is I'll post a link in the description. I know many out there are doing searches for which are the best tools to have for cell phone repair and whatnot. This is I would say it's a necessary tool to have, but I will go ahead and post a link in the description showing this, and also some other tools which I feel are necessary for anyone out there repairing phones, whether it's screen replacement or battery replacement or whatnot. There are some tools you need to have, and I'll go ahead and post that down below for your convenience. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day.